Hello and welcome to part 9 of the 1964 All-5 Bolens 900. In today's video we're starting off with some parts that we've got. We've got new exhaust, a couple of new drive belts, some spare oil seals if the back axle starts leaking oil, a battery, more parts in here, and a present. When we need specialist Bolens supplies, we go to two suppliers. One is Rick's Bolens Tractor Parts, and the other is Bolens Parts and Supplies, run by Brian. In this case, we've got this part from Brian, who was also kind enough to send it by airmail. So let's open it up. Well, now read this layer of packaging, so let's get this box out. There we go. Brian did an excellent job of packing it, and now it's time to see if we can open this up. There we go. These are the parts that we've got. So we've got a spring for the high and low range tensioner. We've got a new idler pulley because this one isn't very good. We've got new ignition switch since this one's only button switch at the moment. We've got a new old stock rod, and as you can see that one's very worn. And we've also got a new spring for the PTO lever. And now for the present. This is from one of my subscribers, Burning Dinosaurs. Great channel, I'll link to it. And let's open this up. There we go. And these are some of his stickers. I've decided to put one of the stickers on my toolbox. Now that we've had our fun unpacking stuff, we've now got to get on with putting the clutch bag together. If you thought this end was bad, look at this bit. We were going to, if we had more time, what we would have done was get a bit of rod and then bend it to make this shape. But fortunately, we managed to get this new old stock one from Brian. And to keep it original, we're using 3/8 UNC nuts and washers. We've got the new clutch forks in. It was a bit fiddly, and the reason why we haven't why we did the clutch forks before replacing the high-low spring is because it's currently attached here, which is the wrong position. It should be attached down here somewhere. So now we've got the clutch forks in and the spring won't be in the way of this bolt. We can now put the new spring in. We've got on the new spring attached at the right position at the other end this time, and the new idler on, and two new 34-inch belts. But we found two more problems. The first is that on this side it doesn't have belt guide, and we've spent a lot of time going through our parts stores and looking at various other tractors to see if we've got one, and it turns out we haven't. The second problem is the tensioning on the belt. As you can see, the idler right here is quite far down and there's still slack in the belt. So after a bit of thinking, we came up with an idea of measuring from the frame to the bottom of the engine. And when we looked in the manual, it said that it was the same as the 1054s, which made it easier. So we just came and measured the 1054s there, which turned out to be approximately 3/4 of an inch. And then when we come round here, the 900s is less than that. Unfortunately, we spent a bit too long trying to find a belt guide unsuccessfully. So that's all we've got time for today. Thanks for watching. Comments welcome either in the comment section below or on the discussion tab. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and see our other videos. More to follow as we do more on this tractor. Bye!